Think of your computer like a brain. RAM is its short-term memory, super fast and always ready, unlike the slow, long-term memory of your hard drive.
A bigger desk means you can work on more things at once, without having to walk all the way to the filing cabinet. RAM acts as a high-speed bridge. It feeds the CPU the data it needs at lightning speeds. But watch out! RAM is volatile. Once the power goes out, everything it was holding, poof, it's gone. Generations matter. DDR5 is the new king, offering way more speed and efficiency than the older DDR4. 8GB is okay for basics, but for gaming and editing, 16 or 32 gigabytes gives your data plenty of room to breathe. Size matters too. Laptops use tiny sodiums, while big desktops use these long UDIMs. They aren't interchangeable. 2 sticks are better than 1! Dual-channel memory doubles your bandwidth, letting data flow like a multi-lane highway. It's not just about megahertz speed, is the delay. You want high speed and low latency for the win. Servers use ECC RAM. It's like having a built-in bodyguard that finds and fixes data errors on the fly. And don't forget VRAM. That's special memory just for your graphics card to handle those Ultra 4K textures. Now you know. RAM is the secret sauce that keeps your computer snappy. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next bite.